कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। इंसान ही नहीं, आजकल हमारा जीवन भी बहुत बदल गया है, हमारा लाइफस्टाइल कितना बदल गया है। Our lives have indeed changed drastically. Do you agree with me, girls? जो ज़माना हम लोगों ने 80s में 90s में देखा है, आज वो ज़माना बहुत बदल गया है. Today we have quick commerce platforms like Swiggy, Zomato that delivers anything we desire at a snap of a finger. Whether it's French fries or those chips, everything is just available at few clicks. Whereas our dadis, nanis, if they had to have those chips or French fries, पहले तो potatoes fetch करो, peel करो, chop करो, fry करो. It's a time consuming process. But now we live in a world of convenience. But at what cost? This convenience comes with a price. The world around us is filled with chemicals, beauty products, perfumes, creams, hair color. All these products are packed with synthetic ingredients. On top of that, we are surrounded by pollution in the air we breathe, the water we have, even our vegetables and fruits are laden with pesticides. These factors, of course, are unavoidable today. And whether we realize it or not, they are contributing to a rise of hormonal imbalances amongst us. So, our modern lifestyle has made life things easier, but at what cost? At the cost of our health. So, do you resonate with what I just said, girls? That our world, our हमारी दुनिया इतनी बदल गई है, right? And when we talk about ourselves, we don't have the time for ourselves. We hardly have the time to exercise. We feel so tired. We don't get good sleep. We lack the motivation to do anything. And as women, and I'm sure यहाँ पे सब औरतें हैं, and we are all girls here. I like to call you girls because I want to make you feel young for the next 1 hour and going forward. We constantly work, juggling with so many things that happen to us: office work, household chores, taking care of kids. There is never a moment to just breathe, right? So if you resonate with what I just said, just type yes in the comment box and tell me that you are with me. You are with me in this workshop, and you feel that what I just said is totally what you feel these days. That you always criticize your body, or we are running after weight loss, running after results. We are slaves to our weighing scales, or we are obsessing over that old jeans that we used to wear in college, or pre-pregnancy. Our sleep is compromised. So as women, we were always guilty. So do you believe that what I said is totally is yeah? I have my video is not off. My video is on. Uh, all right. Somebody said okay, their video is off. All right. I got confused. Shruti, you can't see anywhere. Yeah, so Sanjana, this workshop allows only the panelists to keep their videos on, and that's the feature that we have at Zoom. So if you want to interact, you can unmute yourself and you can speak with me directly. All of you will have an option of unmuting themselves, asking a question in this workshop today. In the next 1 hour, I'm your Sakhi and I'm going to chat with you. Neha says yes. So I originally what I was asking you was that do you resonate with what I just said? Are you somebody who's constantly looking for weight loss results, constantly criticizing their bodies and juggling with a lot of work? हम औरतें फंसी हुई हैं. So yes, 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 Sanjana says yes. Okay, so I want this session to be very interactive today and ask umpteen amount of questions, girls. Whatever you face, whether it's physically, emotionally, mentally, today we're going to talk everything about your health. So even if you want to share something about your personal life, feel free, because we're all women out here, right? So think of this as an extended family for you, and come ahead and just share your story with us. Let's move forward. And by the way, I did not introduce myself. Namaste and good afternoon to everyone. I'm Anjali Thakur and I'm 32 years young. I'm a mother of a 2-year old, and I hold an experience of about 10 years in nutrition, fitness, managing lifestyle conditions. And my team has helped many women with lifestyle conditions like PCOS, thyroid, obesity, diabetes, irregular periods. I am your Sakhi, your partner in crime today. So let's go ahead and do this crime, right? Firstly, let's do a quick exercise and let me just understand what my audience is like today. So if you're able to see the screen, right? The screen says, do you have any of these following? Right? Hashina Iyer says, hi, Hashina. We have, the screen displays following issues. For example, if you have acne, painful periods, hot flashes, it has a number associated to it. So just go and say that, hey, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have acne, you type 1. You have irregular periods, you type, I am not able to see the number, but let's say you have bloating, you type 7. I'm having pimples, ma'am. So yeah, you can say you have acne. Neha says 5 and 9. Hair loss and sleep troubles. Okay, irregular periods is 11. Gut issues is 12. Sunita says 8 and 11. Weight issues and irregular periods. All right, Sunita. I hear you. Sanjana Sharma says 1, 8, 12, 13. Oh my god. One is acne, weight issues, 12, gut issues, 13. I feel you. I totally feel you, Sanjana. And today, through this workshop, we'll address each of your concerns. And in case you want to speak to me one on one, let's do that. So, Shruti, building up, Ra building up. I did not get you, Shruti. Could you retype what you just said? Hashni Iyer says, okay, we have somebody who says 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 13. Oh my god. Okay, Apurva, I feel you. I feel you totally. Terrible mood swings, arthritis. Sure. All right, so, I want you to take a guess now. I hear you and I feel you, girls, totally. Now, I want you to let me know, who do you think is responsible for all of this? कौन हो सकता है इसके पीछे एक हम कारण for all these issues that we have? So Sanjana says lifestyle. Absolutely. Samriddhi says hormonal imbalance. Wow. My audience is so educated. PCOD is my reason, Apurva Tang says. Apurva, what's with your surname? Where are you from? I've never heard of this surname before. Is it Tang or, am I pronouncing it correct? You're from Gujarat. Okay, are you Gujarati? Tell us a Gujarati dish that we might have not heard of. Can you unmute and talk? Apurva, you can come and unmute and talk. Idada. Idada is ये तो कभी सुना नहीं है यार अपूर्वा. Okay. All right. If you want to talk, come and talk about your. It's a sort of a dhokla. Is it like a white dhokla kind of thing? Anyway, okay. I'm just trying to build a rapport with you girls so that we can talk freely in this workshop. Well, my presenter has already moved forward the slide. It is the hormones that are responsible for all of these, basically, and we are going to touch base upon the topic of hormonal balance and imbalances, whether the imbalance for us is good or not, whether the balance of it is good or not. We will try and understand hormones in general and how they affect our lifestyle, right? So somehow I can't see the option to unmute myself, Parul. So if you raise your hand, I'll give you an option of unmuting yourself. Yeah, you can go ahead and speak if you'd like to. You got the option? All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Parul. Well, so I'm sure होता है ना हमारे साथ कभी कभी when we have your period days, we are very irritable, we feel very low during our periods, right? Or you're like, hey, you become this touch me not, that don't just come near me, especially. So basically what I'm trying to say is that our hormones make us dance round the clock, and that's what the emoji says. Hormones make you dance. So Harshini says I can't unmute, ma'am, but I can turn on the camera. I'll give you an option of unmuting yourself if you want to come here. Well, I'm going to invite our doctor who's going to conduct this session and give us some knowledge about hormonal imbalance and its association with various lifestyle issues that we have. So we have Dr. Ruchi with us on board. She is about having an experience about 11 years and has offered personalized treatments around Ayurvedic principles. So can we have Dr. Ruchi on board, please?
Yeah, hello everyone, and especially Anjali. I appreciate this fantastic introduction. Guys, it's a pleasure to have this opportunity to share my knowledge with such engaged audience. I must say, Anjali, our audience is quite, engaged. Let's jump right in and make most of our time together.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining in, Doctor.
Thank you. And to begin with, as of course, I must add that our audience today, Anjali, is quite educated.
Very educated, absolutely.
Right. So they all know not only about hormones, but what hormone imbalances are. So as we all know, these are just very minute, tiny, I would say chemical secretions in our body that, roots through in our body through blood. And the very important thing that they do is they signal your body what to do and when to do. Now, going forward, when we talk about hormones, it is essential to understand what are the key hormones. There are around 50 of them, 50 plus, but there are some essential ones that we are going to talk about today. So, can any one of you name some hormones? Oh, you got a peekaboo already. Right? So, could you guys name some hormones that
Yeah, we didn't
a lot
start.
of you have
Yeah.
heard of? Yeah.
Sanjana says
Sanjana is,
cortisol. Okay, good
yeah,
to hear that, Sanjana. So that's our stress hormone. Ira Singh says progesterone.
good.
All
That is
right,
one of the important reproductive hormone. Yeah.
lovely.
Chalo, as we've
Next,
already seen the names, let's go forward
sure.
and talk about a bit about the hormones. Like as we know, estrogen and progesterone are the ones which regulate our menstrual cycle and reproductive health. There is one called insulin, which of course manages the blood sugar level. Then there is thyroxine, which is important thyroid hormone, which is essential for metabolism. And as we know, cortisol, which is a stress hormone, very well told by Anjali. So these are the key examples of hormones. And see, hormonal imbalances and balances are something that we need to understand very, crucially to see कि क्या चीज कब कहाँ कैसे हम पे वर्क कर रही है and what is causing problems in our body, right? So,
So somebody has said, Apurva says, I read that vitamin D3 is also a hormone which we
mhm.
consider as a vitamin. So what do you have to say on this, doctor?
See, of course it is an important I would say
It's
it is an
actually a
important.
hormone. I was also reading about it that because uh, this is something that our body cannot live without. So
Exactly.
yeah, it's essential for our body, and that's why researchers are now saying that it's also a hormone and not just a vitamin that we need to consider as. Yeah.
See, ideally, when we talk about its work, dopamine is another happy hormone. Apurva rightly said it. See, when we talk about vitamin D, it helps in, processing of calcium. At times we take a lot of milk, we do take a lot of supplements, but
Right.
vitamin D is essential to convert that supplement into, like how Ayurveda says that everything turns into, like when you eat something, it turns into rasa, which is the essential nutrient. And going forward, gradually all your like rasa, rakta, mams, med, that is what we call, how your each tissues are supported with the diet. तो विटामिन डी नहीं होगा तो कैल्शियम फॉर्मेशन या बोन फॉर्मेशन अच्छे से नहीं होगी या बोन की हेल्थ अफेक्ट होगी.
Mm-hmm.
So as I said, Anjali, quite educated audience we have.
No, I mean they're talking about serotonin. They're talking about
Right.
Uh, there is somebody who says, "Oh, nice. I mean, they've already talked about cortisol, progesterone, melatonin." Nice, nice. Good to hear about these hormones from our people. They're so educated. Well, so let's move forward.
Let's move forward.
Yeah.
We are talking about phases of life here. And of course, as I've just mentioned, balances and imbalances are something that we need to understand to such an extent that hormones जो हैं, they keep on changing their, like कभी कम होता है, कभी ज़्यादा होता है throughout the day, throughout your life. And when we talk about a woman's life, our hormone levels tend to rise and fall naturally. बच्चे हैं, हम बड़े हो रहे हैं, प्यूबर्टी हिट करती है, तो वी गो थ्रू सच अ बिग हार्मोनल रोलर कोस्टर. सेम थिंग हैपेंस during pregnancy, during childbirth, and then again when we are about to reach a menopause, another roller coaster, girls. The essential or the crucial part is that we must come back to the normalcy. And what is normalcy is something can be individual to all of us. And we'll go, talk about more in the coming slides.
So yeah, it's a very interesting question on the screen, doctor. I was
Right.
reading the stats, and this research paper said that why do so women in India, especially, 1 in 5 women today have PCOD or PCOS, uh,
Right.
prevalent. So why is that? So many women today, and PCOS is on the rise in India, especially. Whereas, as far as I've heard from my nannies and dadis, they have not even heard of this terminology, right? And they never had PCOD or PCOS. So why is that India is having PCOS today? And 1 in 5 women is such a large number.
Right. Very rightly said, Anjali. Now, when we talk about this PCOS or PCOD condition, of course, the stat is there. And the alarming part is when we go to the next slide, we can see there are some, of course, there are some reasons which are inevitable. We can
Mhm.
only work around them.
Right.
There are few that we can, talk about and address and try to, avoid them. ऑफ कोर्स एज वी नो पीसीओएस में कुछ सिम्टम्स होते हैं जो कि पिगमेंटेशन हो गया, एक्ने हो गया, फेशियल हेयर हो गए, वेट फ्लक्चुएशंस हैं, हेयर इश्यूज हो जाते हैं, इरेगुलर पीरियड्स तो एक बहुत बेसिक है. बट अंजलि, डू यू नो, कभी कभी पीरियड्स इरेगुलर नहीं भी होते. कुछ केसेस ऐसे होते हैं जहां पे सिम्टम्स नहीं समझ में आते किसी को, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर. वी आर
Oh,
ट्राइंग
doctor,
टू
I,
क्रिएट
I can totally
अवेयरनेस.
relate with it. So my own sister, she had no issues at all, and
ओके.
her scan said that you have no issues, you have no cyst, but she was detected with PCOS because she had all these symptoms. So girls, 90% of women don't even know that they have PCOS. So
Right.
that's very alarming. So we need to identify if we have such symptoms with controlling us, then we need to see a doctor. We need to find out whether we actually have PCOS or not. It might not just appear on your scans,
Of
right? So
course.
you need to take external help and seek a professional help and advice to find out whether you have PCOS or not.
Of course. This is a very, very critical thing. And in fact, people tend to think there's a myth around it. जो भी मोटे होते हैं उनको पीसीओएस या पीसीओडी होता है.
Correct.
But
Correct.
बट पतले लोगों को भी होता है. There's something called lean PCOS also. So ये सारी चीजें हैं. But when we talk about the etiology कि ये क्यों होता है, what we are doing wrong. First of all, as we talked about hormonal imbalances, रीजंस कैन बी मैनी. एंड इनफैक्ट जो आगे लिखे हुए हैं वो सब भी रीजन हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सबसे बड़ी चीज है प्रॉपर नींद नहीं लेना और स्ट्रेस होना. दिस इज एन विशियस साइकिल वेर इन अगर आपको स्ट्रेसेस हैं. एक्चुअली क्या हो गया ना अंजलि, आजकल अगर आई थिंक सब लोग रेजोनेट करेंगे इस बात से, हमारा बहुत स्ट्रेस बढ़ गया है. छोटी छोटी बच्चियों में पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस, लुक्स का स्ट्रेस, क्या
Oh,
कपड़े पहने उस चीज का स्ट्रेस, वहां से हमारा स्ट्रेस शुरू हो जाता है.
कितना कंपटीशन बढ़ गया है. I remember, I mean, when we were in our when we used to have board exams, 10th 12th के बोर्ड होते थे, स्ट्रेस होता था, नो डाउट, नहीं बोलूंगी कि स्ट्रेस नहीं होता था, बट the kind of competition that has increased these days,
Yeah.
and I see these people winning for higher scores and just trying to climb up the ladder. It's crazy amount of stress I see in young children as well,
Of
for
course. I mean, this
being
social
being
media
an
has,
all-rounder and socializing and peer pressure.
yes.
It's crazy amount of stress that this young generation also has.
Now, social media, we should have written social media also. It's a major culprit. See, stress levels
Absolutely.
तो बढ़ ही जाते हैं. At the same time, social media, टीवी, फोन, गेम्स, ये सब ना स्लीप में भी बहुत इंटरप्ट करते हैं. हमारी स्लीप अगर प्रॉपर नहीं होगी, जो डीप स्लीप या रेम साइकिल है उसमें हम नहीं जाएंगे, तो हमारी बॉडी डी स्ट्रेस नहीं होती है. वी आर नॉट एबल टू फाइन ट्यूनिंग ऑफ ऑल दी बॉडी पार्ट्स, ऑर्गन्स, और ये कह देते हैं कि हार्मोन सिक्रीशंस इस तरह से होते हैं कि your body gets de-stressed and get ready for the next day. नींद हैम्पर्ड है तो वो एक मेजर रीजन है. स्ट्रेस ऑफ कोर्स इज अ रीजन. नाउ देयर आर पोल्यूटेंट्स. अब देखो, जैसे मैंने बोला था, कुछ चीजें इनएविटेबल है. हवा में पोल्यूशन है, वी हैव टू ब्रीद इन. पानी
Correct.
पोल्यूटेड है, फिल्टर कर लिया. बट व्हाट अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट वी आर अवेयर ऑफ एंड वी आर डूइंग.
Like our perfumes, for example.
Yeah, and we're eating out of plastic, drinking out of plastic bottles, and there are so much plastic everywhere. Every and each and every item which we eat from outside, which is packed in plastic, right?
Correct. Absolutely.
Even
And plastics, my dear girls, plastics basically mimics your estrogen, and that's why
right.
it's, PCOS is on the rise. And there are scientific studies that say that if you have hormonal imbalance, it could be use of because of use of excessive plastic as well. So somebody has said, Apurva says Indian diet is usually high in carbs and fat, which leads to many diseases like PCOS. Absolutely, Apurva. And like I said in the beginning, हमारा जीवन इतना बदल गया, and we have Swiggy, Zomato on the snap of our fingers, and we usually tend to go out and eat. So when we go out and eat, those food items are high in sodium, high in preservative, colors, additives, and
Right.
very high in oil content as well. So no wonder we are getting these lifestyle issues.
Okay. And of course, Apurva, very important thing, and for everyone this goes, it is very crucial to understand right type of oil and right type of carbs are actually supportive to our body, just that we are taking a lot of them. We are not taking the right kinds, and we are not doing enough physical activities as we used to do as Indians in those age. हम खाना पुराने जमाने का खा रहे हैं, the rich Indian food, बट हम उतना काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर वेस्टर्नाइजिंग आवरसेल्व्स, वी आर बिकमिंग लेजी, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू अस.
Correct.
चलो,
Absolutely.
लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड इन.
Doctor, there's a question. Neha's asking whether there's a difference in PCOD and PCOS.
See, PCOS and PCOD, the difference is quite, I would say, like it's easy for me to tell. But see, PCOS क्या होता है? PCOS is a condition wherein आपको साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स आ रहे हैं.
Right.
वेर जैसे हमने साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स की बात की हमारी प्रीवियस स्लाइड में, कि आपको कुछ फेशियल हेयर होगा, या इरेगुलर पीरियड्स होंगे, पीरियड्स रिलेटेड इश्यूज हो सकते हैं, ओबेसिटी हो सकती है, या ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स एक साथ हो सकती हैं. देयर कैन बी एनी. एंड अगर हम स्कैनिंग कराएंगे तो कभी ओवरीज में सिस्ट हो सकते हैं, या सिस्ट नहीं भी होंगे तो
Correct.
ओवरीज बल्की हो सकती हैं. दिस इज अ सिंड्रोम which what is PCOS is called. However, PCOD is a developed state of this PCOS which remains untreated, and then it is called as
A disorder.
polycystic ovarian disease. Now, it has established in your body as a disease. It is there for a long term, which is called chronic state of it. तो इसको हम तब disease बोलेंगे.
Sure, sure,
That's
sure.
the only difference.
I hope, Neha, we've answered your question. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. All right, doctor. Let's hear it from
So let's talk about actionables. And today, ladies, we are going to talk about very small few things that is not just the takeaway from today's this thing, but हम छोटी छोटी चीज बता रहे हैं जो आप अभी से चाहे तो नोट डाउन करो या याद रखो. छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो हम करेंगे और आपको रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग दिस. लेट्स ट्राई एंड बी हेल्दियर फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज focus on fat loss. Now, when I talk about fat loss, it goes for both like obese है कोई, या weight gains है, या कोई मोटा है, तो उनको अपना weight control करना है, exercises करनी है. बट एट द सेम टाइम लीन पीसीओएस की कंडीशन में भी फैट होता है बॉडी में। बॉडी मोटी नहीं होती है, पर जैसे लिवर में एक्यूमुलेशन हो रहा है, इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस का केस हो रहा है, वहां पे भी कार्डियो करना, एक्सरसाइजेस करना बहुत जरूरी है। और आपकी डाइट इनटेक में हेल्दी फैट्स लेना, ना कि ऑयली फ्राइड चीजें खाना, वो चीजों का आपको ध्यान रखना है। सेकेंड थिंग, there's a it's again a very contradictory topic कि दूध खाना है या नहीं, मतलब दूध और दूध के प्रोडक्ट्स लेने हैं या नहीं। सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप हो सके तो मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स अवॉइड करो। बट अगर आप मिल्क लेते हो एंड इफ यू आर नॉट लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट, तो आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि आप बहुत रिलायबल सोर्सेज जो हों वहां से आप A2 मिल्क ले सकते हो। A2 मिल्क इज गुड फॉर PCOS कंडीशन। और you can have some other sources like oats milk, almond milk, something like that. Now, third thing is, as me and Anjali have specified, कि आपको preserved and packed food at all costs avoid करना है। हो सके तो please switch your household containers, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स जिसमें हम पानी रखते हैं फ्रिज में, या कोई भी आइस ट्रेज होती हैं, उन सबको रिप्लेस करिए। ट्राई यूज ग्लास और स्टील, बेस्ट। सो दैट इज द थिंग। छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, आप लोग शुरू कर सकते हैं आज से ही।
All right, so we have Radhika's story on the screen. So let me just give you a brief idea about Radhika. Radhika, she came to us. She was a case of PCOS with thyroid. So there's this mistake, spelling mistake over there, and painful periods. She used to have crazy painful periods, cramps. I remember I spoke to her. She used to carry this hot water bag and put across her tummy to ease her pain. And Dr. Ruchi will highlight how we helped her in her journey and how much time did she take to, actually reverse her condition.
Right. So, girls with Radhika, the only thing that she came to me was a lot of stress, just because her sister did not show any such symptoms and she did. While at the same time, they were living in the same household. Technically, they were eating the same food, they had the same genes, right? But she came up. And then again, what we were able to pin down were that her sleeping habits, her stress levels, and so many other things were there, they led to it. There was a lot of junk eating there that contributed to it. She used to have a lot of junk foods, maybe in her college or after her classes or something like that. Now, it took us almost 6 months. Initially, she joined a 90 days PCOD challenge. She got a lot of relief in her pain. The cycles got regular. Thyroid also, I mean, like her overall metabolism improved. But then she stayed with us for another like 3 months. So total in 6 months, she was able to, get good results. She's still in touch with us, and we do support her if required.
I don't want to body shame, but look at Radhika now. I mean, she looks much more prettier, no?
Right, of course. See, this health and the hormonal balance and health gives you a different glow only. Like if you're
Absolutely.
eating healthy, you're working out and other things, you get a nice glow and you get confident. And that
Most
is what is,
importantly, Radhika realized that she shouldn't be looking at just the number on the scale and should be looking at fat loss and inch losses overall. And she's a student, and I mean the kind of confidence that has boosted in her is tremendous.
right.
So that's an inspiration we take from Radhika and give it all of to you. Uh, can we have the next slide, please? So yeah, so doctor, I want to know. ये तो हर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे भी है. I want to know why do we have hair issues, and specifically, I think lot of women will agree here. Guys, please comment in the box where you feel that you have hair issues and what hair issues do you have. I have hair fall issues. I don't know whether this is because of hormonal imbalance or I have dry hair. I've tried everything on earth, but ये hair fall जाता ही नहीं है, right? So let's hear it from all of you. What kind of hair issues do you have? And I'm sure 90% of women have hair issues.
ऑफ कोर्स कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही है। किसी को डैंड्रफ, किसी को रफ हेयर होगा, थिनिंग होगा, एंड काफी सारे आजकल अगेन द रीजंस माइट बी द सेम, बट काफी सारी लेडीज को अर्ली ग्रेइंग भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. So when I talk about hair issues or hair fall or hair thinning, सबसे बड़ा culprit again is hormone, and there can be so many of them. Of course, cortisol है जो कि stress hormone है, stress होने से हो सकता है. When you have PCOS, आपका androgen और testosterone ये दोनों hormones बढ़ जाते हैं, तो मेल टाइप बॉल्डनेस होने लगती है, जो यहाँ पे ना कॉर्नर्स में कुछ गर्ल्स को
राइट,
होने
राइट,
लगती है.
टेम्पल्स में हो जाती है, करेक्ट।
राइट. अच्छा, थायराइड के केस में भी ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. हाइपरथायराइड जो कंडीशन है उसमें हेयर थिनिंग इज क्वाइट प्रोमिनेंट, बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर इज अ कल्प्रिट कॉल्ड इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, विच इज अ कंडीशन वेर इन आपका जो इंसुलिन है वो जो हमारे सेल्स हैं, जो ग्लूकोज है उसको यूज नहीं कर पाता टू गिव आवर बॉडी द एनर्जी विच इज रिक्वायर्ड. उसको रादर वो फैट में कन्वर्ट करने लग जाता है. सो इस कंडीशन में भी बॉडी गोज लाइक जो नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग गोज हेवायर, एंड ग्रेजुअली हमारी हेयर लॉस होने लगता है. अब ये क्या होगा अगर इफ आई टेल यू इफ वी हैव हार्मोनल बैलेंसिंग. जैसे अगर मैं कहूँ कि जब प्रोजेस्टेरॉन और ईस्ट्रोजन का लेवल्स बहुत ऑप्टिमम होते हैं, सही होते हैं, जैसे प्रेगनेंसी के बाद कई
प्रेगनेंसी
लोगों
के
को हेयर
बाद
फॉल होता है,
होता है, करेक्ट।
लेकिन प्रेगनेंसी के ड्यूरेशन में कई लोगों के हेयर बहुत लस्ट्रस फाइन एकदम
I
चमकने वाले
had
होते हैं.
shiny, lustrous hair during my pregnancy days, and
Right.
pregnancy के बाद, as soon as I delivered my baby, then again there was a massive hair fall. The bunch निकलता था पूरा ऐसे. But of course that got sorted after. Now my baby is 2 years old, and I
Right.
don't have any such problems. But Apurva says, is this necessary that if someone has insulin resistant, they are considered diabetic automatically?
See, insulin resistance is a condition that cannot be diagnosed easily. You have to, there has to be a medical either supervisor, your wellness partner, or some doctors who can pinpoint some conditions. जैसे कि आपका एनर्जी लेवल लो रहना, कुछ पिगमेंटेशंस हो जाना, स्पेशली ऑन द बैक ऑफ योर नेक, अराउंड योर एल्बोज एंड नीज, कुछ कुछ स्पेसिफिक साइंस होते हैं. बट अगर आपको इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो रहा है, इट कैन ऑफ कोर्स लीड टू डायबिटीज. क्योंकि अब आपका जो, जैसे मैंने कहा था कि इंसुलिन हैज द की टू ओपन द सेल्स डोर, जिसमें वो ग्लूकोज को भेज देगा और सेल उसका एनर्जी, ग्लूकोज को एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट कर लेगा. अब इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस कब होता है? जब ये चाबी खो गई है. चाबी खो गई है, दरवाजा खुलेगा नहीं, ग्लूकोज सेल के अंदर जाएगा नहीं, तो जो ब्लड है जो ग्लूकोज को कैरी कर रहा था, वो सारा ग्लूकोज ब्लड में ही रह जाएगा. तो अब आप जब अपना ब्लड शुगर लेवल चेक करोगे तो वो मोस्टली हाई होगा या प्री डायबिटिक की रेंज में होगा. डायबिटीज इज अ कंडीशन जहां पे कंप्लीटली आपका इंसुलिन काम करना बंद हो गया है. यहाँ पे इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस के केस में अभी सिर्फ थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस वो दिखा रहा है, बट अगर लाइफस्टाइल ठीक नहीं की गई तो आप प्री डायबिटिक या डायबिटिक कंडीशन में फॉल कर सकते हैं. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन विच रेंज यू आर, बट ऑफ कोर्स इफ समथिंग इज लाइक देयर, आपको उसको ठीक करना है.
I hope, Apurva, we've answered your question. I have people who've said that they have hair fall issues, dandruff issues. Neha, thank you so much, Apurva. So essentially, doctor, what is that we're doing wrong today? I'm sure we've covered this in the previous slide as well, that we have these wrongs of today where we have these hormonal issues happening to us. So could you highlight a bit more, please?
Yes, I would like to talk about all of them again. Of course, use of plastic, not sleeping well, a lot of stress, all those are there. But the major thing that we are not doing right is whenever we are eating out, we're eating junk food, and even at home, the quality of food that we are eating is not good. तो हमारा न्यूट्रिशनल डेफिशिएंसी जो होता है, दैट कैन बी वन मेजर फैक्टर फॉर हेयर लॉस और स्किन डिटीरियरेशन. सेकेंड थिंग, हम पोल्यूटेंट्स की बात करते हैं तो एज आई सेड इट्स नॉट जस्ट द एयर, बट हम ट्रॉपिकल पोल्यूटेंट्स भी बहुत ज्यादा ले रहे हैं. एंड बाय ट्रॉपिकल पोल्यूटेंट्स आई मीन एनीथिंग दैट कम्स इन टच विद द स्किन. तो आजकल जैसे इतना सारा पैराबेन्स और सल्फेट्स और केमिकल्स वाले शैम्पूज, कंडीशनर्स, पीपल आर लाइक they're doing so much. I mean, every day I see there's a new list that is added to hair care. कुछ तो भी like when you talk about conditioner, and then there is this leave-in serums, there are this, there are that, I don't know what all. तो जितने भी ये प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, they have a lot of preservatives, they have a lot of fragrances. अगर preservative नहीं भी हैं तो खुशबू होती है, added colors होते हैं, and do you really think all those artificial things are good? हमारी स्किन, हमारा स्कैल्प सब एब्जॉर्ब करता है.
Doctor,
तो
there was a
हम
study which said, if you're using excessive use of these heavy chemicals in perfumes, it
Mhm.
leads to infertility. Is that true?
Yes,
That somehow
there is.
responsible for, at some percentage of it is responsible for infertility as well. So that's
Right.
alarming, isn't it?
Yes, yes, it is. It's quite a right thing. It happens. Infertility के कुछ cases आए हैं studies में. And of course, जो aerosol sprays होते हैं, the one which are जिनको हम deodorants कहते हैं, जो gas based होते हैं,
Mm-hmm.
उन वो ज्यादा हार्मफुल हैं. यू कैन द परफ्यूम्स और विच आर ऑयल बेस्ड और समथिंग विच डज नॉट हैव दैट एरोसॉल, और वो जो फोर्स्ड एयर जिसमें नहीं है, दे आर स्टिल बेटर. So deos are something which are full of these chemicals. I mean, like on a very big percent.
So I have a very interesting question by Neha Jain. She says, by use of plastic, do you mean store dal, rice, all those grains we store in food grade plastic, BPA free containers, or she's saying should we completely stop storing food in grade plastic containers as well? What's your take on
Very
that?
good question. Very good
Very
question. I
very very
must,
apt
yeah.
question.
Yeah. So I would like to tell all of you, when I say plastics, of course, plastics are bad. However, food grade plastic or BPA plastic is something जो कि सिर्फ स्टोरेज से वो आपके फूड में लीक आउट नहीं होगा. However, it is very essential to understand कि इनको रेगुलरली चेंज करना पड़ता है. हम
Correct.
इंडियन हाउस होल्ड्स में क्या करते हैं, एक बार लिया डब्बा तो वो मतलब
सालों साल
ऑन अ
चलता
मेजर, या तो घर शिफ्ट होगा या नई किचन बनेगी तब जाके हम कहीं पे वो चेंज करेंगे. या फिर अगर थोड़ी बड़ी लेडीज है वो रेजोनेट करेंगे कि बच्चे की शादी होगी तो फिर तब हम किचन थोड़ा साफ सा कर देंगे, समथिंग लाइक दैट. दोज आर द मेजर टाइम्स
है.
जब हम डब्बे बदलते हैं, वरना अंदर रखी हुई चीजों को कोई नहीं देखता. However, when it comes to BPA free containers, पानी वानी तक ठीक है, but I would still recommend कि जब हम माइक्रोवेव करते हैं किसी चीज को, या हम एकदम गरम गरम खाना टिफिन में डालते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट वो गरम करने वाली चीजें प्लास्टिक ना हो तो बेटर है, इवन इफ दे क्लेम टू बी BPA फ्री और फूड ग्रेड. दैट इज वन थिंग. आप कोल्ड चीजें जैसे सैंडविचेस हो गए या फ्रूट्स भी हो गए, टू सम एक्सटेंट यू कैन स्टोर. ट्राई अवॉइड हीटिंग देम और पुटिंग हॉट आइटम्स इन देम. These are the two or three takes about the food grade plastic.
Thanks. This is amazing. So, doctor, we have another question by Parul Chaudhary. She says, I have constant pain in my foot when I go to the gym. Then
Mm-hmm.
it gets better. Okay. I think this requires more investigation and talking to her in detail to answer this question. Parul, could you elaborate this question a bit more? Till then, we can move forward and we'll wait for your. And if you want, you can just unmute yourself and talk to us if you'd like to. All right. Parul wants to talk. Can we let her unmute? Yeah, Parul, we've unmuted you. You can
Yeah,
come.
hi everyone.
Hi.
So basically, I've been experiencing this pain in my foot of late, and it's really get worse, pain in aged women. What I felt is, when I started gymming and all of it, then it really vanishes, kind of a thing. But then if I don't do it regularly, the very day I don't do my gym, it starts paining again. I don't know, honestly.
But what kind of pain is this? Is this tingling pain or
No,
I mean,
it's like the entire pain. As in, how should I explain that? Anything which is paining, then
so is it on your sole or your entire
it is
foot
from
pain?
my soul. It is on
On
my
your soul, on your
soul.
soul.
So
Okay.
especially my thumbs and my fingers. So they pain a lot and sole also. So that's how it is. Not my ankle or my area beneath it, but mostly at the the outer part of my foot. So that's how it is, the front part of my foot.
I understand, Parul. Could you tell me, elaborate a bit more? When do you go to gym? Is it in the morning hours or evening?
I am pretty flexible about it. But yeah, so like either in most of the time in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
That's
So
how
is it more like stiffness when you get up from the bed and you try and put your feet down and
no,
walk?
no. So I have experienced the same result irrespective of my schedule for the gym.
Okay.
I thought it is like a bunion pain. I tried, multiple separators and everything. I changed my footwear altogether, but nothing helped. And the only thing which helped would, the painkillers, but then how much I would have ended up
Of
paying.
course, of course. So
So that's what like this really helped. I don't know what's wrong. Like,
we need to investigate and understand. There
Yeah.
could be various differential diagnosis for it. It can be first of all, the important thing is how it gets better would be our friend, one of the panelists has answered this question कि जैसे ही आपके पैरों में blood flow increase होता है,
yeah,
that causes relief because of the improved circulation. That is one thing, but then we need to rule out. We might need to get some tests done, or we need to inquire more and talk about it more, and we can see what could be causing it. But then we can maybe talk, one on one about it
Yeah,
moving
absolutely. Do
forward.
you have anything visible on your foot? If is there anything visible? Can you
it is
feel
a hard
something?
skin. That's definitely there.
No, if you could send us some photographs, I think Dr. Rishi could speak with you one on one
Yeah,
after this
let's
workshop.
talk.
Yeah, and then we can sort this out for
Sure,
you.
sure.
Yeah,
Okay,
because this I think requires more detailed
Of course, it
investigation.
does.
One on one.
sure.
This not something that we'll be able to resolve it over this workshop. So thank you so much, Parul, and we'll take this forward post this workshop. And doctor, we have these three actionables. I'd like you to highlight what is that we should be doing when we have these hair thinning, hair fall issues.
Right. So these three actionables, as I said, कि आज से ही आप लोग शुरू करेंगे, is include healthy fats like seeds and nuts. आप flax seeds खा सकते हैं, आप और चीजें जैसे let's say तिल का इस्तेमाल अपने फूड में कर सकते हैं. So they would add on to really good lustrous hair. और इनसे काफी ज्यादा माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी आपको प्रोवाइड हो. The second thing, as I've said, tropical pollutants हमें avoid करने हैं. Try and use minimal products जितने required हैं, जिनसे काम चल सकता है. Plus, try and use the variants which are there, which are, more organic, without sulfates and added perfumes and, things like that. And of course, there's a one home remedy or an Ayurvedic tip. अनियन एंड गार्लिक पेस्ट आप अपने स्कैल्प में यूज कर सकते हैं. मसाज करिए, रब करिए, थोड़ा उसे रहने दीजिए 15 to 20 minutes. आई नो इट साउंड्स बैड, but the results are going to be amazing.
पेस्ट
Trust
कैसे
me.
बनाना है नाउ इफ यू कुड टेल मी डॉक्टर इसका पेस्ट
You
हम लोग मिक्सी
you
में
can just peel them off and मिक्सी में बना सकते हैं, या फिर आप इसे ग्रेट कर सकते हैं फाइन ग्रेटर से.
ओके
You can, if you can't bear a proper mask, you can squeeze them and take out the juice and spray the juice also, like after filtering.
I
That
think
also can
that's
be
better.
done.
That's better rather than make sure applying the theory. Oh my
Right.
god.
That also can be.
Does applying egg also help on the scalp?
Egg would give you something, a result which a conditioner might give you,
Uh-huh.
because it has some nourishing property. But for those who have high volumes of hair already, जिनको थोड़ा fizzy hair है या bulk hair है, उनके लिए वो और बालों को बल्की कर देगा.
Multi
और थोड़े
kartega.
fizzy
Because
hair
dry
वालों के लिए
scalp,
ये,
right,
हाँ,
right,
it's not
right.
very
But
suitable.
it helps you with getting some shine on your hair.
Yeah, shine is
Dull hair.
something that, yes,
Really
yes,
helps
yes.
with shine.
Right.
All right, so we have the next question on the screen.
The gut
This
issues.
the gut issues. Why do we have gut issues? And you know, पहले पुराने जमाने में तो हमने आईबीएस इतना प्रेलिवेंट था ही नहीं, राइट? सुना ही नहीं था ज्यादा करके लोगों ने
Anjali, I
आईबीएस
think we
के
have
बारे में.
lost you.
Have you lost me?
You're not audible. Guys, can you hear me?
I can hear you,
Just
doctor.
gives
I can hear you, but you're frozen. Can you turn off your camera and turn it on again? I think you have some. They can hear us. They say, but you're
thank you.
frozen, Dr. Ruchi. Yeah, I think we're
Yes.
perfect. Perfect. We're fine now. I think there's some internet lag. All right. So I was trying to say that IBS, especially IBS, of course, constipation and diarrhea. All of these issues have been there. Uh, you know, in yesteryears also, but IBS is on the rise again. So why is that we have these gut issues, doctor, and it's again rising? And what is their relationship with hormones as a fact? Yeah, so let's move forward.
Great. Okay. Whenever we talk about any gut or hormone relation, it is essential to understand a few of them. Ghrelin is one hormone that is the one that stimulates our appetite. It is a stimuli जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि अब भूख लगी है. Right. Second one is leptin, wherein it is good for energy balance, wherein it tells you कि पेट भर गया है. And the third one is cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone. स्ट्रेस हार्मोन प्लेज ये कॉर्टिसोल हर जगह आके अपनी टांग अड़ाता है. बीट स्लीप, बीट स्किन, बीट हेयर, कहीं पे भी हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज हैं, अगर कोई हार्मोन इंक्लूडेड होगा तो 90% ऑफ द टाइम्स वो कॉर्टिसोल होगा ही होगा. नाउ ग्रेलिन एंड लेप्टिन का क्या है, हमारा जितना भी गट रिलेटेड हमारा जो साइकिल सिंक होना चाहिए, अगर इन हॉर्मोन्स में इम्बैलेंस हुआ तो क्या होगा, या तो किसी को भूख ही नहीं लगेगी, और अगर भूख किसी को ज्यादा लग रही है तो उसको बहुत लगेगी. ग्रेलिन बढ़ गया है तो भूख लगते जाएगी, ओवर ईटिंग होता जाएगा. और ग्रेलिन और लेप्टिन का रिलेशन भी ऐसा है कि अगर ग्रेलिन बढ़ेगा तो लेप्टिन कम हो जाएगा. आप ओवर ईटिंग कर रहे हो पर सेटाइटी की फीलिंग ही नहीं आ रही. सो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम यहाँ होता है. बट कॉर्टिसोल प्लेज अ डिफरेंट रोल ऑल टुगेदर. कॉर्टिसोल जिस तरह से कहते हैं ना, गट इज अ सेकेंड ब्रेन. तो
Mhm.
जब भी हमारा स्ट्रेस लेवल हाई होता है, दिमाग के साथ साथ हमारा गट रिस्पॉन्ड करने लगता है. आई आई थिंक किसी को पता होगा, कभी जब आप सबके साथ भी हुआ होगा, अंजलि आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा, कि जब भी हम किसी फिशी सिचुएशन में या किसी ऐसी सिचुएशन में होते हैं जिसमें घबराहट होना है, डर लग रहा है, या कुछ कोई बैड न्यूज सुन ली, या कुछ बहुत अनकंफर्टिंग होगा, तो नौजिया वाली फीलिंग आने लगती है, पेट में
नौसिया,
गुड़गुड़
पेट
होता है.
गुड़गुड़ होने लगती है, राइट?
राइट. सो दैट फीलिंग, एट द सेम टाइम अगर बहुत हैप्पी फीलिंग है, आप बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं, कुछ बहुत हैप्पी न्यूज है, तो यू यू वी माइट हैव हर्ड ऑफ दिस बटरफ्लाइज इन आवर स्टमक. तो
राइट।
ये एक जो हमारा ब्रेन है, गट इज कॉल्ड सेकंड ब्रेन. तो जब भी स्ट्रेस लेवल्स हाई होंगे, हमारा गट रिएक्ट करने लगता है. एंड सिमिलरली, अब आप स्ट्रेस में तो हम हैं ही, एवरी वन ऑफ अस, हमारी लाइफस्टाइल ऐसी हो गई है, बच्चे हैं, बड़े हैं, हम लेडीज के लाइफ में तो एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेस है ही. इट इज इनएविटेबल, राइट? तो अब स्ट्रेस हाई है, आप हेल्दी नहीं खा रहे हो. एंड इवन व्हेन वी थिंक वी आर चूजिंग हेल्दी, फ्रूट्स में जैसे आपने अंजलि कहा पेस्टिसाइड्स भरे पड़े हैं, सब्जियों में कितने पेस्टिसाइड्स और केमिकल स्प्रे होते हैं. हम सीजनल वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स नहीं खाते हैं, हम
राइट।
अपनी चॉइस से आजकल खाते हैं. हम लोकल ग्रोन वेजिटेबल्स की जगह वी गो फॉर समथिंग, किसी को आर्टिचोक खाना है, किसी को ब्रोकली खाना
प्रॉब्लम
है.
खाते हैं,
राइट. सो मतलब वी आर
सूखी
जस्ट,
खानी है आजकल।
एवोकाडोज आजकल तो लोकल हो गए हैं, एवोकाडोज आर होम ग्रोन. राइट. सो दीज थिंग्स वर डिसाइडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू आयुर्वेदा. ये सब चीजें आप सीजन के हिसाब से, बॉडी टाइप के हिसाब से, एज के हिसाब से खाया करते थे. बट अभी भी जब हम मॉम्स हैं या हम एज वाइफ्स हैं, हम सोचते हैं हम अपने बच्चों के लिए या हस्बैंड के लिए कुछ हेल्दी बना रहे हैं, तो आर यू श्योर दैट दाल हैज द प्रोटीन? डू यू नो कि वो जो नट्स एंड सीड्स हम खा रहे हैं उनमें से ऑलरेडी एसेंशियल ऑयल्स नहीं निकाल लिए गए हैं? निकाले हो सकते हैं. वी डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड वी आर टेकिंग. ऑर्गेनिक के नाम पे भी हमें क्या मिल रहा है हमें नहीं पता. सो हियर व्हाट हैपेंस इज, आपका ऑलरेडी स्ट्रेस से स्टिमुलेटेड है आपका गट. अब आपने कुछ अनहेल्दी खाया, केमिकली नज्ड चीजें हैं, जैसे ना, अगर मैं बात करूं गेहूं की, वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड, शी इज अ वेरी गुड डॉक्टर एज वेल, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि हाउ वी स्टार्टेड, आवर फार्मर्स स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग दोज आर्टिफिशियली, यू नो इंड्यूस्ड और उसमें कुछ केमिकल्स इंड्यूस करके इस तरह के हमारे ग्रेन्स बनाए जा रहे हैं जो कि क्वांटिटी में ज्यादा होते हैं, जल्दी से उग जाते हैं और हमें बहुत सरप्लस उनका आउटकम मिल जाता है। हावेवर जो पुराने जमाने की चीजें थी जो ऑर्गेनिकली उगाते थे उनकी क्वांटिटी कम होती थी, क्वालिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट एंड एवरीथिंग, प्रोडक्शन क्वालिटी भी थोड़ी कम होती थी, बट वो न्यूट्रिशनली बहुत अच्छे थे। सो दीज थिंग्स हैव बीन चेंज्ड ओवर टाइम, और अब हम जो खा रहे हैं वो हेल्दी नहीं है, हमारे गट को इफेक्ट करता है, एंड आईबीएस इज अफेक्टिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल।
Absolutely.
एंड इन टोटल पहले कभी किसी ने, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट लैक्टोस इंटॉलरेंस, सुना था? नहीं सुना
एक
था।
तो नहीं सुना था
दूध
अभी।
प्योर होता था, राइट?
Absolutely.
आज की डेट पे दूध ही सूट नहीं कर रहा है किसी को,
दूध नहीं
बिकॉज
सूट कर रहा है. People are gluten intolerant as well, right? They
राइट।
cannot eat wheat.
या सो दिस इज व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट दिस गेहूं जो कि थोड़ा मॉडिफाई किया गया है, इससे हमें ग्लूटेन इंटॉलरेंस हो रहा है। थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग दैट वे। तो जो भी हम खा रहे हैं उसमें से भी हेल्दी चूज करने पे भी ये कंडीशन है। तो ये इट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स जो मैंने कहा था हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, बट देर आर अदर थिंग्स दैट वी कैन कंट्रोल एंड ट्राई एंड बी हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी, राइट? तो पहले तो स्ट्रेस कंट्रोल करो, कॉर्टिसोल को भगाओ, एंड लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.
Absolutely.
So this is the cycle that I've talked about, like stress होते ही how we start eating, weight gain and everything happens. ग्रेलिन बढ़ जाता है, लेप्टिन कम हो जाता है, हम ओवर ईट करते हैं, ओबेसिटी या वेट गेन होने लगता है, उससे और स्ट्रेस हो जाता है। हम गर्ल्स की तो यही प्रॉब्लम है आई थिंक, एंड अगेन इट लीड्स टू सिक्रीशन ऑफ मोर कॉर्टिसोल, और हम लोग स्ट्रेस हो जाते हैं, राइट? तो इस को हमें तोड़ना है लेडीज। एक्चुअली हमारी बॉडीज, वी आर मेंट टू फील अमेजिंग इन आवर बॉडीज, पर हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपनी ही बॉडी को ट्रैप बना लेते हैं। अब इससे बाहर आने के लिए द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी ऑल कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग इज इंक्लूड, फर्स्ट थिंग, फ्रेश बटर मिल्क विद रोस्टेड जीरा एंड पिंक सॉल्ट, सेंधा नमक जिसे कहते हैं। दिस इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग। इसमें काफी अच्छे बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं, गट हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है, एसिडिटी के लिए अच्छा है, ब्लोटिंग के लिए अच्छा है। यू कैन हैव दिस। कोशिश करें ऑल दोज पीपल जिनको थोड़ा सा सर्दी जुकाम का प्रॉब्लम है, या कोई भी ठंड लगने से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है, तो इवनिंग आवर्स में ना ले, रात में और शाम में ना ले, मॉर्निंग में, लंच के पहले, लंच के बाद, वेन एवर इट सूट्स यू, आप यू कैन टेक इट। सेकेंड थिंग, जैसे कि हम पहले बात कर रहे थे, अवॉइड स्पाइसी, ऑयली एंड स्टेल फूड। व्हेन आई से स्टेल फूड आई मीन जितना भी रेफ्रिजरेटेड फूड है, और पुराने जमाने में दादी नानी कहते थे ना, बासी खाना नहीं खाते। सो ट्राई एंड अवॉइड दैट, फूड विच इज केप्ट इन योर फ्रिज। आई मस्ट से, एक दिन दो दिन पुराना खाना इज नॉट हेल्दी, but trust me, overnight रखा हुआ खाना is far better than the food we order from outside. So just choose wisely and eat healthy. And the most important thing is proper water intake. Water intake is a must. आयुर्वेदा की अगर मैं बात करूं, एक पूरा चैप्टर था जो हमें पढ़ाया गया था वाटर इनटेक के ऊपर, अंजलि। एंड इट इज एसेंशियल कि आप वाटर इनटेक तो करें ही, बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आयुर्वेदिक टिप कि खाना खाने से पहले और खाना खाने के बाद कम से कम आधा घंटा आप लोग पूरा गल्प करके ग्लास भर के पानी ना पिए। अगर प्यास लगती है, मिर्ची लगती है, या खाना सूखा लगता है, तो एक एक दो दो सिप ड्यूरिंग द फूड आप ले सकते हो। दैट टू शुड बी रूम टेम्परेचर वाटर या एम्बियंट टेम्परेचर वाटर, ठंडा नहीं पीना है अराउंड योर मील्स। दैट शुड बी रियली, आई मीन इतने टिप्स शुड बी समथिंग जो हम सब इंक्लूड कर लें, और फर्दर वी कैन help ourselves.
Thank you so much, Doctor, on those actionables now. And since we are a little short on time, this is
Right.
something I'm sure the audience would love to hear from you. And as Indian women, we will kill ourselves for just anything, especially weight loss. वो इनकी
Right.
अदाएं ऐसी है ना कि वेट लॉस करने के लिए लोग कुछ भी कर लेंगे. So if you guys relate with this and you feel this is something that you're looking forward to hear, and you want to know the actionables, that if you have issues regarding weight gain and hormonal issues, please show me that you're awake and you're listening to us. type, give me a thumbs up, give me, show me some love, and we'll highlight and give you some more thoughts on this topic. So Apurva says yes. So we have two people awake. Okay, Sanjana is also awake. Boring to nahi ho raha na, girls? I think this is not boring for you. Do you want us to speed it up? How do you guys want the session to be? Because we have another 15 minutes and then I have a surprise plan for all of you. I have something very interesting coming up. I think there was a hand raised. Thank you. Somebody says, Sanjana says the session is really interesting and informative. Parul needs to drop off. She said, "No problem, Parul. We'll anyway connect with you." Yes, we'll speed it up a bit. So, okay, doctor, can you highlight what is the role of hormones in when it comes to weight gain, obesity? How does hormones actually lead to obesity?
Right. So I think we have already talked about a lot of these things. I'll just brush it up very quickly. Insulin, as I said, helps when not in control. It aids fat storage. हमारी बॉडी का फैट बढ़ने लगेगा, ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स भी बढ़ जाएंगे. कॉर्टिसोल स्ट्रेस हार्मोन है, ओवर ईटिंग कॉज करता है, गट इश्यूज कॉज करता है, नींद में प्रॉब्लम देता है, और नींद प्रॉपर नहीं होगी तो भी वेट गेन होगा. एंड स्पेशली अस लेडीज वी गेट व्हेन वी गेट हेवी बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस, इट शोज अराउंड द टमी. कॉर्टिसोल बेली उसे बोलते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स लेप्टिन एंड ग्रेलिन की बात मैंने की थी. अगर पेट भरने का सिग्नल ही नहीं आएगा ब्रेन से, और बहुत खाते जाओ, भूख लगी है का सिग्नल आता जाएगा, विच इज बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेलिन. अगेन ओवर ईटिंग हो रही है. एंड थायराइड हार्मोन, a very essential one for metabolism. अब मेटाबॉलिज्म अगर हैम्पर हो गया तो फिर या तो अगर कम होगा तो आप अगर कम हो गया तो आप पतले हो जाओगे, मोटे हो जाओगे. अगर बहुत ज्यादा हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म बढ़ गया तो हम पतले होते जाएंगे, वेट इश्यूज वहां पे भी आ जाएंगे. सो ये सारे हॉर्मोन्स दे कॉज दिस प्रॉब्लम. राइट. कैन वी गो फॉरवर्ड? And as we have already talked about, like I eat or overeat because I'm stressed, but I'm stressed because I overeat. It is the biggest vicious cycle that we all are trapped in, and we need to break out of it, ladies. And that is what we are here for. We have the solution. I'll just talk about the solution a bit forward from here. So, can we go to the next slide? यहाँ पे कुछ actionables हैं. The very essential one is mindful eating. माइंडफुल ईटिंग मतलब टीवी के सामने बैठ के खाना ना खाएं, टाइम पे खाएं. वॉच योर प्लेट. पोर्शन कंट्रोल इज एसेंशियल. थोड़ा सा नॉलेज अगर आपको मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स के बारे में है, इंक्लूड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन. ट्राई एंड इंक्लूड कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स रादर देन नॉर्मल कार्ब. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें. फ्रूट्स और सैलेड्स के पोर्शन जरूर खाएं. कर्ड या हो सके तो बटर मिल्क, एज आई मेंशन, ऐड दैट टू यू. वो बहुत सारे प्रीबायोटिक प्रोबायोटिक हमें देगा. Right. So this is one important thing. Exercise of any sorts, any physical activity that suits you. It can be dancing, jogging, swimming, whatever you like. It can be yoga, stretching. कुछ तो physical activity करो at least 5 days a week. Minimum 20 to 30 minutes. शुरू कर दो. और कुछ नहीं तो खाना खाने के बाद 15 मिनट की वॉक कर लो. And Sanjana, if you eat healthy and still your weight is stuck, you need to talk to us personally. Right. कुछ ना कुछ done होगा, and we'll help you sort that out. Now, there's one thing that we all can start. Infused waters are amazing. हम आयुर्वेदा में बहुत तरह के वाटर रेकमेंड करते हैं. हाउएवर, जीरा वाटर इज वन ऑफ देम, जो कि हर बॉडी टाइप को सूट होगा. और किसी को कोई, बिकॉज नॉर्मली हम आयुर्वेदा में बॉडी टाइप के हिसाब से, जो आपकी आयुर्वेदिक प्रकृति होती है उसके हिसाब से हम एडवाइस करते हैं. जीरा वाटर इज वन जो सब ले सकते हैं. गट हेल्थ के लिए भी अच्छा है, डिटॉक्स के लिए भी अच्छा है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेटाबॉलिज्म को इम्प्रूव करेगा, तो वेट लॉस के लिए भी एड करेगा.
Sure.
Let's go forward, girls. Right. So, Anjali, we reach here where we talk about what all of us are facing.
Especially as women, we need to do this.
Right. It says she is battling things inside she will never tell you about. So, girls, this is a platform. We are here to support all of you. any condition like this, any one of us can go through, but अगर किसी को persistent sadness है, आप normal loss of interest हो गया है, जो चीजें आपको पसंद आती थी अब नहीं आ रही हैं, आपकी भूख में और नींद में appetite changes हुए हैं, या sleep pattern में कुछ ज्यादा changes हो गए हैं drastically, या फिर अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत होपलेसनेस है, बहुत वर्थलेसनेस फील हो रही है, तो आई मस्ट से प्लीज 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 लेडीज, सेल्फ स्टॉप सेल्फ sabotaging, and we need to rise above it. Trust me, it's your hormones, it's not you. We can fix them. It is something, you deserve the balance. And here at Laika, it's all about the balance.
Balance, absolutely, absolutely. So anybody who's facing, sadness and is depressed, feels hopeless, come and speak to us. We are your extended family. Think of us as an extended family, and we believe in, giving. So Laika was formed because, so the name itself says that we believe that women are able. So it comes from the word layak. So we believe that all of us, all women are able and they deserve the support. They deserve to be, better versions of themselves. So we need to love ourselves. We need to, show some self-love to ourselves rather than just supporting, our partners, just taking care of our kids. Of course, that is important. But first things first, वो बोलते हैं ना कि अपनी सीट बेल्ट पहले खुद को बांधे और अपना जब ऑक्सीजन मास्क नीचे आए तो पहले खुद की
Right.
सहायता करें rather than helping your partner. So खुद की सहायता करना सबसे पहले सबसे ज़्यादा important है. So that's what we do at Laika, and this is what we teach you at Laika. So self love is very important, girls. You need to prioritize yourself over anyone else. So that's what the message of today is, and I have a surprise planned for all of you. And let's move forward. And this is a time for a big surprise now. So Dr. Ruchi, can you tell
Yes.
us what's the surprise?
I know. Let the ladies guess.
All
And
right,
trust me, you'll be happy, ladies. Or should I say girls?
I think we should say
Anjali's,
girls. And like I
yeah,
said, we
Anjali's
want to make them
referring.
feel young. And can you guys, do you want to take a guess what's the surprise here? All right. So the surprise is that Laika is launching its hormonal balance builder program. So this program is targeted on nurturing and building yourself, and your hormonal balance through lifestyle changes. Right now, what does it give you? What does this mean? When we say balance builder, it is a fancy name. So let me simplify it for you. So if you're somebody who's looking for weight loss, somebody who has any kind of hormonal issue, be it your skin issues, you have acne, you have sleep disorders, you have deficiencies, you have PCOD, thyroid, any kind, you have insulin resistance, you have diabetes, or you're looking for pre-pregnancy support, post-pregnancy support, or you're going through an IVF treatment and you need support system. This is a hormone balance builder program where we help you, constantly make lifestyle adjustments. So let's show you how are we different from all of the programs that are there in, you see in the market. Well, we give you these three things at your fingertips. Like we said, that we live in a world of convenience, and we're giving you these conveniences at your fingertips. You have a doctor, you get a health coach and a dietitian. So nowhere you'll find a doctor being at your fingertip. It'll be Dr. Ruchi. We have other doctors on the panel who'll be in constant touch with you and support you throughout your journey. Yeah. So how are we different now? If you look at the difference here, we believe in giving you personalized assessment based on your lifestyle quotient and menstrual wellness quotient. Now, what does that mean? So, our lifestyle quotient, this is a specialized scoring mechanism that we've developed, that we like to call it the Leica 1, 2, 3 hormonal balance approach. Can we go on that slide, please? I'd like to explain that first. Yeah. So yes, so this is 1, 2, 3 approach where we firstly detect your hormonal imbalances through a very specialized scoring mechanism called the lifestyle quotient and the menstrual wellness quotient. So there are no random evaluations, no random diagnosis. In fact, this is a very specialized scoring methodology which has been developed with a panel of doctors, is also patented now, which basically tells us that so lifestyle quotient is basically understanding your basic daily habits, your weight, your BMR, your height, what do you eat every single day, so basic stuff. Whereas your menstrual wellness quotient, it gives you insights about how your body responds during your menstrual cycle days. So we have got 4 phases, right? So how does your body respond while you're on your periods, when you're in your luteal phase, when you're in your follicular phase? How does your body, change during these phases? And we cover questions around pain. So pain, for example, can be very subjective in nature. This can feel, this pinch can feel a lot to somebody and a lot less to somebody else.
Right.
For example, concentration. So doctor, can you tell me what questions do we have on concentration levels in this questionnaire at MWQ?
See, when we talk about the concentration levels, it this question simply asks like what your concentration levels were and what are
Right.
right now. Because ideally it is essential to understand कि जब भी स्ट्रेस होता है या कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं बॉडी में, बहुत सारी चीजें होने लगती हैं, जैसे ब्रेन फॉग हो जाता है,
Correct. IBS
numbness
होता
हो
है,
जाता
फॉर
है, right?
एग्जाम्पल, स्ट्रेस होता है, तो सो वी आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस दैट आपको स्ट्रेस कब होता है, एंड अगर आप फॉरगेटफुल हो, तो व्हाट इज द लेवल ऑफ फॉरगेटफुलनेस, कि आपको ब्रेन फॉग तो नहीं होता है, और आर यू कंफ्यूज्ड ऑल द टाइम, यू आर नॉट एबल टू टेक डिसीजंस, right? How is your performance at work? How is your performance? Do you like socializing or not? Or do you avoid social activities? What are your behavioral changes? So we go into such depths and such details. What is your appetite? Mostly, women, when we are in our 30s, especially 35 plus, then we have arousal issues, right? So are you getting aroused enough? What is the kind of hormonal levels that you have? uh, you know what is the control that you have on your appetite, negativity, water retention? So we covered everything, and you're trying to understand ins and outs of your body. Then we have an ayurvedic based menstrual evaluation, which Dr. Ruchi is an expert, where we try to understand your prakriti and vikriti assessment. Now what does this mean? Prakriti is basically the nature of your body, and vikriti is basically the ailments around your menstrual health. So, right from modern science to Ayurveda, we are a perfect blend of these two. And once we have a clear picture and we have done a thorough assessment of you, we work on managing the imbalance and the balance by creating a personalized plan for you, where this plan includes a cycle sync diet plan, right? It's not random stuff that we ask you to have, that, oh, you get on a keto. These days doctors, I mean, I see people going on high protein diet and low carb diet and saying कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स खा लो, बस इतना ही कर लो, आप हाई प्रोटीन खा लो एंड आपका वेट लॉस हो जाएगा, और you'll be able to somehow manage the imbalances that you have. But is that the right way? Right? So here at Laika, we give you cycle sync diet plans. And for example, now, like I explained, there are 4 phases. So we tell you what kind of food items you should be having during a particular phase. So let's say you have this luteal phase. So in the luteal phase, you need to support your progesterone synthesis. You need to introduce food items like zinc, which are rich in zinc, like sunflower seeds, ragi, quinoa. Similarly, आपने देखा होगा, when you're in your ovulation phase, to support your estrogen production, the doctor will say have follicular, but you need to have food items that are rich in vitamin B, like fermented foods, sprouts. So we give you diet plans which are very scientific according to your cycles. तो बोलते थे ना, हमारी दादी नानी used to tell us, I remember my dadi used to tell me that while you're on your periods, you should not be having something thanda, right? Because I mean, your body temperature is all I mean, it depends on person to person. For example, I keep very cold when I'm menstruating. So again, I mean, this is, we call it super personalization for you, because we are working on the nitty gritties of, not only your individual health, but also getting into the details of your behavioral changes as well. So once we've understood understood your ins and outs, we give you a cycle sync plan and we give you fitness guidance. We also believe that during your period days you must be doing some yoga exercises, because that helps you with relief of your pain, with your flow. We give you recipes around Ayurvedic herbs and decoctions. Basically, that helps you balance your hormones effectively. And ultimately, what your goal is, whether it's weight loss, having a glowing skin, having improving your fitness levels, it ultimately helps you. And we don't stop there, because we as humans, we need that push, we need that support every now and then. So we have a well-rounded community, and we have like-minded people like you. So we believe in improving, educating, and motivating you. So we have regular progress tracking. We have follow-ups by doctors, and doctors, individually follow up with you. We have call and chat support. We give you daily lifestyle tips, and we add you in a community and a WhatsApp group where you embark this journey with us. So that's about us. Let's. How long will it take? Neha says, Neha, just another 5 minutes, because I am going to launch this for you and hear it from you how interested you are. So that's on the screen. We've already talked about this, about what you achieved. You achieved overall enhanced well-being, improved menstrual health, elevated energy levels, improved emotional well-being. So I've talked about all of this. Most importantly, an overall menstrual elevation that you get a complete balance of your hormonal health. So that's about the program, and this is about the price. I'm sure it must be ticking you that what is the price, what is the cost, and what do we get in this. I'll come to what do we get. This the offer for this workshop. The MRP is 12,000 rupees, and we are offering it at a very, very special price, which is at 7,800 rupees for 3 months. This is at a 35% discount, and you need to pay only 1,000 rupees to block your seats today. And this offer, mind you, is valid only in this workshop. I'll not be able to give you this offer post this workshop ends. And Neha, since you asked me, this is what we were waiting for. Go ahead if you have any questions regarding the program. Please post your questions in the comment box. You can unmute yourself and ask me about these questions about the program if you'd like to. But I would like to highlight more on why a 3 months program, right? So, as let me give you an example. Um, for example, now our muscles, when we talk about working out, our muscular growth, or how our body adapts to stimuli. Now, to see any massive change, or your body to adapt to this stimuli, it takes about your body, it takes 12 weeks to show any significant change. तो एक हफ्ते में, एक महीने में कुछ नहीं होता है. It takes 12 weeks for that first change to happen. And muscles work only when you use them. मसल्स में हम सबसे ज़्यादा सेल्फ एस्टीम होता है हम लोगों से ज़्यादा. एंड इफ यू घोस्ट योर मसल्स, you do it for a few days or a month or so, then you're back to square one, right? So like we invest long term in our mutual funds, or we invest in shares, we invest in our in our finances. So हम उसमें तो हमें रिटर्न दिख जाता है, right? That few years you look at, and it's a number game when it comes to money. You look at a 3 year, 5 year horizon, but are we willing to invest in our health for that 3 year, 5 year horizon? Because ultimately, when we say that health is wealth, right? So इसमें हम लोग आपके नब्स को पकड़ते हैं, whether it's hair fall, whether it's weight loss, whether it's weight gain, whatever you're looking at, it helps you undergo through a phase-based approach which is tailored to your unique hormonal needs, right? So go ahead and take advantage of this workshop and book your slots. I'm going to wait for another 5 minutes and see who's the first participant who comes ahead and books their slot for this special program. All right. Do we have any questions for this program? And I'm sure there is a festival time coming ahead, and you'll have questions like, oh, what if I want to start probably after Diwali or after Dashera, or whether I'll be able to follow it or not. Mind you, you'll be able to follow it whether it's Diwali or it's your wedding or you're traveling. We will, like I said, we believe in super personalization. If you have any events coming up, we personalize it and we customize it according to what your requirement is. Let's say you're traveling a lot, we give it to you according to your schedule. So Ira says, I'm in. Ira, please go ahead and you can block your seat by scanning the QR code. All you need to do is pay 1,000 rupees now, and we'll reserve your spot. You need to pay the rest of the amount in the next 24 hours. Thank you, Neha. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you joining Laika. Ira says done. All right, Ira. Let's have our first participant that has come for this program. Let's have a round of applause for them. Amazing. Congratulations, Ira, for embarking upon this journey. Can we have some more people taking advantage
Amazing,
of this?
Ira. First step is the crucial most. First step ले लिया तो आगे सब हो जाएगा. Congratulations.
All right, let's move forward. I would like to, give you another surprise for people who think, oh, mera paisa डूब गया तो, and I have done so many things. I've I've tried gym programs, I've tried multiple diet programs, but nothing has worked for me. मुझसे होता ही नहीं है, मैं कर नहीं पाती हूँ, या I lack the motivation, है ना? ये सब प्रॉब्लम सबको होता है. And as women, हम लोग के पास बहुत excuses होते हैं. But I am giving you a special offer where I'm saying that you get a 15 days money back guarantee. If you're not able to follow this program, I return your money back because I'm so confident. Once you come with me, I will not leave your hand. मैं आपका हाथ नहीं छोड़ूंगी because I have that support, and I have like-minded women with me where they give you the kind of push you require, right? There is a lot of knowledge sharing, there is healthy competition, we make you play challenges, games, and create long lasting habits, and we celebrate even the smallest of the goals that you achieve. So the challenge is about you taking charge and you making a leading a drug free life. That's what the challenge is all about. So I'm giving you a 15 days money back guarantee because I am very sure that you will not give up once you sign up for this program. So let's have the next slide, please. Yeah, so this is what we have. I have another 2 minutes where you can simply scan the QR code and go ahead and book your slot. Sanjana Sharma says enrolled. Congratulations, Sanjana. Welcome aboard, Sanjana. That's the first step that you've taken towards your health. All right. Come on, wake up, girls.
Yes, you just need some push. We all do.
And if you feel, there we have multiple options available, you think that you like to break down the price, you'd like to pay in EMIs, of course you can discuss that with my team, and we have multiple options available, but I'll not be able to give out this price after this workshop ends. This price is only valid for this workshop. Essentially, what I'm trying to say is block your seats by paying 1,000 rupees, and this is approximately 2,700 rupees a month that I'm asking you to invest, about 87 rupees a day. So if you break down the cost, so go ahead and invest long term in your health. So I'm sure this program is worth every penny you invest. And after this workshop gets over, you'll get busy in your daily ghar ka kaam or office ka kaam, and you'll forget about this workshop. But take advantage of this workshop and invest in your health today. for a happier and healthier you. I have somebody else who's joining. I have Minakshi who's enrolled for this program. Let's have a round of applause for Minakshi. Congratulations, Minakshi. Do we have any questions regarding the program? Happy to answer them. So let's move forward. I have this 15 days money back guarantee that says this is our promise. You will receive this certificate from us once you enroll for this program. Eligibility for this money back guarantee is 15 days. If you feel that you don't even see an iota of change in your health, कुछ भी नहीं नजर आता, and you feel that you're not able to follow or sustain this diet or your fitness regime, I will not ask you a single question and I will return your money back. Apurva says, is this a one-on-one treatment or a group session? This is a one-on-one treatment. You get a doctor, you get a dietitian, you get a fitness regime. That fitness regime is, it could be a mix of HIIT, cardio, whatever suits you. And we give you yoga during your, period days. Because like I said, we believe that yoga helps
And
you
of
with
course,
your
there is this
menstrual flow,
community
your
support
period
that you
pain.
get from
So
us.
you get an Ayurvedic doctor, you get a dedicated dietitian, and a WhatsApp group is created with you with your health coach, where you can ask them umpteen amount of questions. You can call them, you can talk to them at any point of time, and we give you cycle sync diet plans. Right? These diet plans are based on your menstrual phases. So follicular phase, we give you different food items to have, and we don't give you restrictive diet. We don't say that hey, you go on a keto or go on a calorie deficit diet. Nothing of that sorts. So something that's very sustainable that you can follow for
Yes.
for lifetime. Absolutely. Let's go back. Let's have the screen where people can scan the QR code. So yeah, let's stay on the screen, and I have few minutes left. Join this program and see that every penny you invest will be worth it. अब ये मत पूछना एक और प्लान आ गया, फिर से मेरा स्केड्यूल बहुत बिजी है, मैं अपने लिए अलग से खाना कैसे, लॉट ऑफ पीपल डॉक्टर रुचि के कम से मैं अपने लिए अलग से खाना कैसे पकाऊं, ये मेरे लिए
Trust
करेगा
me.
नहीं है। आप देते हो क्या, अलग से खाना देते हो, मुझे बता दो, इन लोगों को प्लीज समझाओ।
Seriously, हम what we plan here is हमारे डाइटिशियन आपका जो एग्जिस्टिंग रूटीन है उसी में, ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप 3 टाइम खाना खाते हैं तो हम आपको एक ही टाइम खाने बोलेंगे, या अगर आपका स्केड्यूल है कि आप हेल्दी ईटिंग करते हैं बीच में स्नैकिंग करते हैं तो हम वो बंद करवा देंगे। नहीं, आपके एग्जिस्टिंग स्केड्यूल पे आयुर्वेदा में से 7 में कहते हैं जो आपको हैबिट है उसके हिसाब से हम पोर्शन कंट्रोल, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट बैलेंसिंग देंगे हमारे डाइटिशियंस, प्लस जो भी खाना होगा वो आयुर्वेदा बॉडी टाइप जो आपकी है उसके बेसिस पे हम थोड़ा सा ऑल्टर करेंगे। तो पोर्शन कंट्रोल,
Apurva,
आयुर्वेदा बॉडी
yes,
टाइप।
absolutely, Dr. Apurva, this is a one-on-one treatment. और जो आपने बोला था ना, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर इडाडा जो डिश बोली थी, आपको ढोकला खाने को ही बोलेंगे। we'll let you have Gujarati food
Yeah,
only,
we can
but
have,
we'll
yes,
eat
yes,
that
yes,
Gujarati
Apurva.
food for you. For example, if you're not consuming healthy fats in that Gujarati food, but I'm sure Gujarati food is already very rich in ghee, which is ghee is again very rich in MCTs that improves in your insulin sensitivity. But if there are food items where you're missing out on, and micronutrients and macronutrients, you need a balance of all of those, right? And you need to have food items according to your cycles. We will guide you on that. So what I would like to highlight again, what do we achieve apart from the numbers on the scale, inch loss? What you will see is that your cravings have decreased, right? You feel lighter in your body. That's very important. When you come out from the gym, you feel light, you feel relaxed, right? And that also happens when you're not stressed out, and you feel inspired to
Right.
exercise. uh, I have people who've told me that their nails are growing faster than their scheduled manicure appointment. Now, I mean, that means that your body is responding very well. Your hair is growing faster. whether you feel like catching up with your friends, are you smiling often, whether you wake up fresher, that's what you will achieve. So there is a saying by Einstein says, not everything can be counted in numbers, but what everything
Of
counts cannot be
course.
counted, right? So similarly, these are things that we cannot count on a number, but they're very, very important for us. So it's lovely to see you guys enroll for this program. I have another one. I have. Okay, I don't have the name of this person. Team, can we have the name of the person who is enrolled? Do we? Okay, her name is Aisha. Aisha has enrolled for the Hormonal Balance Builder program for 3 months. Let's have a round of applause for Aisha. I'm going to wait for another minute and let you guys avail this opportunity today and take most advantage of it.
Right. Anjali has talked a lot about all the benefits. There's just one more thing I'd like to add.
Mhm.
So this 3 month thing will not only help you in all the, I mean, getting all the deliverables that we are promising, but at the same time, by the end of this 3 months, you will understand कि consistent डाइट इम्प्रूवमेंट्स और लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस क्या होते हैं, तब तक आपको आदत भी हो जाती है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी से दैट लाइका इज देयर फॉर लाइफ टाइम. आई मीन आपने जो चेंजेस हेल्दी आपने देखे हैं, करे हैं हमारे साथ, वो आप आगे भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. राइट.
Sure,
सो वी आर
doctor.
देयर टू सपोर्ट यू.
Makes
See,
a lot of
portion
sense.
control is a
Makes a
very
lot of
important
sense.
thing.
So I'm going to wait for half a minute now and let you guys ask any questions if you have. I'm going to drop my number and see if anybody wants to connect with me personally and talk to me about this program. I am a little short on time now. It's 8999 my number. Reach out to me if you'd like to speak with me, or Dr. Ruchi if you'd like to book a free consultation with Dr. Ruchi and speak with us for any of your concerns. With that, I'd like to take your leave. Uh, Sayonara, namaste, and very thank
Right.
you for joining this workshop. See you soon.
Have a nice evening, all of you.
Thank you.